First standard subject English. Today we are going to learn about story. The title of the story, Kichu Monkey Can't Sleep. Kichu Monkey Can't Sleep. Aim: students will be able to identify the main events of the story and put them in order. Keywords: can't, can't, sleep, sleep, mother, mother, father, father, brother, brother, sister, sister, shining, shining, leaping, leaping, dreaming. Welcome children. I have asked some of the question this image. What is the name of the story? Yes, Kichu Monkey Can't Sleep. Who is the character in the story? Kichu Monkey is the main character in the story. What is he doing? He is lying on the bed with his eyes open. He can't sleep. Then, why do you think his eyes are open? Why can't he sleep? Now, we will enter this story. Let's learn. When Kichu Monkey going to sleep, but that time Kichu Monkey mother is singing. Kichu Monkey father is dancing. They are making so much of noise. So Kichu can't to sleep. Next, Kichu brother is jumping. Kichu sister is crying. So Kichu brother and sister so much of noise and sounds. So Kichu can't able to sleep. Because all the family members are making so much of noise. So he wanted to go out. So he went outside. He see many things outside. The moon is shining. The birds are sleeping. Next, what happened? Kichu Monkey sits by the river. Kichu see fish. The fish are leaping. Leaping means what? Jumping in the air. Yes, the fish are jumping in the air. The frogs are smiling. Smiling means sound making. The frogs are making sound. Then, anyway, Kichu Monkey feeling so much of sleeping. Now, Kichu Monkey is asleep. Kichu Monkey is dreaming. He is rolling to the left. He is rolling to the right near rock. Suddenly, what happened? He is rolling on the rock. It is not bed. Suddenly, he rolls right into the river. So, when he went into the water, we get all wet. So, he feeling very cold. After he came back to home, also the family members same kind of activities doing. Yes, Kichu father is dancing, Kichu's brother is jumping, Kichu's mother is singing, Kichu's sister is crying. But Kichu Monkey feeling so much of sleep. Kichu Monkey doesn't mind anything. He pulls up his blanket and is Kichu Monkey now slept nicely. Do you understand this story? Yes, Again I will repeat one time. Kichu monkey can't sleep. His mother is singing, his father is dancing. His brother is jumping, his sister is crying. Kichu monkey goes out. The moon is shining, the birds are sleeping. Kichu monkey sits by the river. The fish are leaping, the frogs are smiling. Now Kichu closes his eyes. Now Kichu monkey slept. Kichu monkey is dreaming. He is rolling to the left, he is rolling to the right, and he rolls right into the river. Splash! Now Kichu monkey is wide awake. He swims to the land. He is very cold. Now he runs back home. Always Kichu's mother is singing, Kichu father is dancing, Kichu brother is jumping, Kichu sister is crying. But Kichu monkey does not mind anything. He pulls up his blanket and is asleep. Worksheet. Take your English Student Application Workbook Volume 1. Page number 22, do it. Page number 22, first Roman letter. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. Number them 1, 2, 3 and 4 as they have happened in the story Kichu monkey can't sleep. Page number 22, second Roman letter. Draw what happened at the end of the story. Also write one line about it.